Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reorganizing my son's room a little bit, specifically where I've got his toys. I'm kind of sick of looking at his cube shelf and seeing all the stuff in it, so I want to make it more like what I've got downstairs in our family room, where everything is neatly contained and you can't really see it, because it makes me happy not to have to see the clutter. I think this kind of slightly revamped storage system that I've come up for my son's room will be easier for him to keep tidy. It'll hopefully help me keep my sanity if the toddler doesn't get into everything before I'm finished redoing it all. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of decluttering and organizing on this channel. I make weekly videos with tips to help you simplify your life and help declutter your home. So I'd love to have you click the red subscribe button below and hit the bell notification to make sure you don't miss any videos. And as you can see, we keep it real on this channel. So hi guys, welcome back to the Toot Show. I will throw in some before pictures here. This is essentially what it looks like now. I basically bought this second-hand IKEA cube shelf. It's like a 4-shelf cube storage shelf, and I bought it off Facebook Marketplace. I bought it empty. It had a couple of blue fabric baskets, but I just wanted to go with like neutral colors. So I've taken these 2 bins out of the storage cube shelf that I had in my lounge, and I've replaced those with a couple of fabric baskets. I couldn't find any more plastic ones at IKEA. They just don't stock them at the moment. And then I also went to IKEA and got the 2 door inserts, and my husband put those on for me. And I've given it a bit of a clean, and now I just have to figure out how to reorganize everything. I've also taken this out of the lounge. I had my son's Hot Wheel cars in this, in our ottoman, and I still just put the Hot Wheels cars and tracks back under the ottoman, but I took this out so I can put that back under his bed as under bed storage. That's his bedside table, and I'm trying to decide if I want to keep that or not. I think I just like the look of just this here, maybe putting his hamper, which is used to store some other toys, in the corner, but we'll see how it goes. And clearly I haven't made his bed or anything, but I need to get this tidied up this afternoon so that he has room to move in his room tonight. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is clean up some of the shoes and clothes that shouldn't be in here, and just, yeah, clean it up a bit. Alright guys, we're all done. I'm so pleased with how that looks. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this. I think all I need to do now is maybe get something to put on the wall. I'm thinking maybe a picture or something might be really nice to put there. He's already got Kermit the Frog here, which is something that his great granddad made, the little sort of carpet wall hanging, which is really cute. Looks much better now the bed's made. I just think it looks so much cleaner and neater. Obviously I couldn't fit all his Beyblades in the cupboard, but they could also go under the bed. This is my point too. Once you get something organized, feel free to play around with it. So if you're not sure what you need, often I just organize things in boxes, any boxes or baskets that I have on hand, and then live with it like that for a few days or a few weeks, and then once you see how the actual organization system is working, then you can have a play around and go and buy some more boxes if you think that system is working for you. So now I've got an empty basket or a spare basket, and this is all stuff that goes into another room, or I need to check with Bud if he wants to keep it, and a couple of empty buckets because the Lego was overflowing from this bucket. I'll put that under the bed on the left hand one, and the right hand one is his Lego City Rail set. It's like an electric train set, but he hasn't really been playing with that, so I'm gonna have a chat to him about whether or not he wants to keep that. But yeah, that is the end result, and I'm so happy with it, and hopefully it'll be a bit easier for him to keep neat. At least we can't see all the clutter, all of the toys. For someone like me who likes to keep things hidden away, this is just the perfect solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and of course remember to subscribe by clicking on my face below, and I will see you in my next decluttering video. Thanks guys, bye!